Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back to Threads Knots and Love. I am your host Mitali, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this beautiful flower. This is a very basic flower and it is great to start your crochet journey with. So I have made this flower with a cotton thread using a 3 mm hook. You can use a woolen or acrylic thread also, like so, and use the commensurate hook size. Here you can see I have got 5 petals on this one, and in this we've made 6 petals. So you can make 5, 6, 7, as many petals as you want to fit in your flower. Alright, so I am using this gorgeous pink shade in cotton 3-ply yarn from Vardhaman, and like I said, I am using a 3 mm crochet hook. We are going to begin this project with a slip knot. So I hope you all know how to make a slip knot. Grab your trailing end, twist your yarn and just pull through the working end. Just insert your hook and adjust the size. Now let's begin. Chain 6 to make our innermost ring. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 chains. Now slip stitch into the very first chain, like so, and now pass this through this. So this gives us a ring to work the rest of our project into. All right, now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make 3 treble crochets into this ring. So I hope you remember how to make a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert, grab the yarn, pass through first 2, pass through the next 2, and the final 2. Likewise, we are going to make two more treble crochets. Okay, now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch back into this ring. So like so, and I'm going to just slip stitch, tighten this and move this together. So let me show you. We have our very first petal ready. Okay. I'm going to repeat this process 4 more times to make a 5 petal flower. So I want to show you one thing. Now after making these 3 petals, it seems there is no space left to make any more petals. So what we are going to do is remove it from the hook, secure this working loop and push all the petals towards one side. So push it on the ring to one side, making some more space to work on. I hope you can see we've got some more space now, so we need to just push. Continue making 2 more petals. And slip stitch. And we're going to just chain 1 and pull through to secure. Chain 1, pull and snip this off. Remove the working yarn side and tighten this knot to secure your work. Now just spread the petals evenly, and there you have it, your very first crochet flower. Okay, I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We can make as many of these and use them for various projects. Start from small baby clips or bookmarks or anything. Just if you're using my video to learn this flower and you make some creative thing, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying the videos and I hope you have subscribed to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.